Is it on the main stage?
I have no clue. Yes, it is.
Is it what like the yard did yesterday?
I have no. Yes, it is.
They zapped. You got zapped.
Okay.
You like that?
I don't like it per se. I'm okay with it. Maybe. Don't. Stop. You are too. I can't with you. She heard a popping noise and her eyes just went really wide and she's looking around.
Planning my exit. Always have your exit plan.
That sounded like a tire popping, no?
Surely. I mean, if it was anything, they would have to keep going at this point. You know what I'm saying?